Let's see the HTML. Now, before moving to the HTML, it's very important that the application which we are going to use, that is the text editor which we are going to use, is VS Code. So in our entire journey, we are going to use the VS Code, okay, as a text editor. We are going to use a VS Code as a text editor, okay? VS Code as a text editor, So if we are developing an application for React or for JavaScript, it is suggested that you must use VS Code. So just from where you can just search on Google, you can just search for VS Code. That is VS Code download. Okay. Now remember, guys, VS Code is a separate application which is having a logo in blue color. Okay. It's having a logo in blue color. This one. Okay. So you will just install that. So just I will show you the process how to do it. So first search on Google, okay, regarding the VS Code, the very first link will be there. So click on that link. And then depending on your operating system, like in my case, I'm in Windows, so I will just click on download. Okay, so it will just say get started. And it will give you some guidelines also. Okay, so it has a huge support, okay, for the different programming languages. So now the setup is around 88.8, okay, MB. So once it has been done, just I will click on that setup, okay. So the setup will be we will get an installation wizard for it. So you guys will install that installation wizard. You will just install it by following the same process. So you will say I accept, then just say next. Then it will ask you where to install it. So it will give some path, okay, and it will just say at least 353 MB space must be free. So then say next. It will ask you that do you want to create a start menu folder? If you want to create, you can just say yes. Then say next. Here I will request you all to tick all the options, all of them. There are 5 checkboxes. So just check on all of the checkboxes. And then just say next. And then it will ask you for the installation process. So you can just simply make an installation process by installing it. Okay. So it will be get installed. It will be get installed without a trouble. And it will be get installed with your user. Okay. That is a specific user. It will be get installed. So this is the way how you can just do the stuff. Okay. Now those who are already having that one, okay, those who are having all that one or installed, so don't worry about it. And currently no need to install, okay, simultaneously. Remember, currently there is no need to install it. Okay. So just I will say finish and it will be get launch. Now in my case, I have already installed it. Okay. So in my case, it will not show me any relevant output for that. But in your case, there will be a new icon that is called the VS Code icon. This will be the icon which you will have. Okay.